this quick. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is and what it ain't. So I finally got another headband wig because baby, it's been like going on. So I bought a headband wig. It's 14 inches. It's like kind of curly, more on the natural side. Okay, so by no means am I a professional, okay? So I'm just using a black headband wig because why not? I have not prepped the wig or nothing. It did not come with instructions, I don't think. But I want to open it on camera so we can see what we're working with here. Just open it. It has that hair smell that everybody has. It doesn't stink, but it smells like hair. So in case you're wondering, I came with these two headbands. A side note, I ended up buying a whole bunch of, I put this in some other random bag, a whole bunch of silk scarves because I'm really not a fan of headbands. But I'm gonna link all this below. This is all I'm gonna use today. Lot of body, I love lot of body. That's why we have this much left, ain't a lot. No pun intended. Yes, it's giving you very much Queen Latifah vibes. Yeah. I washed my hair. This is how I prepped it. I washed it, did a deep conditioner, all that stuff. I do not know how to braid to the scalp, so do not come for me. If you wanna see kind of how I braided it, I'm not a professional. I just literally like started dividing like this and trying to get it together. But I might just use my edge control maybe, just to, you know, make it a little neater. Okay. Brush my kitchens up because it is. Okay. So let's just get head to big brained baby. Okay. Has a little net with wood. Take it off. And let's see what it's giving. It just as soon as I take it out. I hope this is not short. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay. So this is not bad. Y'all think if I like brush it out, it's gonna mess up the curl pattern? Ooh, that's not gonna work. I'll do it like this then. I'm just gonna, just detangle it, make it come to life. Maybe just foam and finger detangle because I don't want to just completely pull it out. But this is just an experiment, okay? So I'll probably put foam, and I'll go through with some Eco, or just any gel you have. I just started using Eco again. We're just gonna see how this goes. It is shedding over me, but my hair sheds, so shedding is not, I'm not experiencing that as a problem. My hair sheds a lot, so as long as my hair just ain't falling apart, shedding don't bother me specifically. But if you're just looking for, oh, no hair came out, hair came out, but it's just normal strands, it's curly hair. Like, you can't want natural and then your hair not doing the natural stuff, okay? I don't have hair to where I can scrunch up, okay? So this is new to me. Okay. This is before, this is after product.
More moments later.
This is cute. Let's see, maybe push it back a little so it could give you some scalp. A little bit of a swoop. Like, y'all be talking about a widow's peak is cute. No, she not. She not. You know, just in case the wind start blowing, you know, you ain't gonna go outside. You feel me? And it's not crunchy or nothing. Like, it's giving me scalp. Let's give it a second to see how cute this is. And it came with like 12 colors. And I bought this myself. It didn't come with the actual headband wig before y'all started talking about, oh, I don't see it in my packaging. And y'all, I am feeling this. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if I'm looking right or not. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Y'all hurt my feelings, though. Okay. It's the hoops for me. Hoops always been something. All right, y'all. So this is it. Close up, close up. Yeah, that's all for tonight. Quick, simple. Yes, I love this headband wig. I have my other wigs. I'll link the video of my other like headband wig that I got if you kind of want a little bit more longer. You know, even if I wanted to do like a half up, half down. Let me do a half up, half down. Stop playing with me. Like, I really want to, you know, experiment with it. So we'll do half up, half down. Half up, half down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I feel it. You probably can't see it. That's probably better. This is too big of a scratch. Too much attention. Did I mess it up? I mean, it's giving me falling off the scalp. Okay? It's giving me that. Look at that. Y'all. I am in love with this. Do y'all see this right now? It's giving lace with no front. Baby, if you ever having a hair metal down, don't worry, have no fear. This headband wig is here. I'm gonna do something like that, you know, tease them a little bit. Tease them a little bit. Make sure the back of the head covers up. Anybody got time for that? But yeah, this is cute, y'all. Make sure that you can see my edges so you won't be questioning. You know what I mean? Something like that. Something like that. You can give you a little bit of the widows. A little bit of widows, okay? Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you. You know, just refresh. You don't gotta be nothing like stuck. Real life. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you follow me, subscribe. You know what I mean? Because more coming soon. I don't know if I like the little two ducktails. You see it in the back? You know, just giving you like, ooh. Or should I put it up? Maybe we'll put it up for today. Okay? It's a little casual. We don't want the piglet ears in the back. Yeah, put those up. Thank you. All right. I'll keep you updated. And thanks for watching. I love it. 10 out of 10. Like, y'all see this? Yo, we outside. See y'all later.